So today I'll be showing you how to add an always-on display to your Galaxy A17 5G using the default Google Clock app. So let me show you how to do this. So first of all, you want to go to the Play Store and download the official Google Clock. So this is the one that's normally on the Pixel. So just search Google Clock, this one right here. So get this app installed onto your phone. This is the official clock app from Google. Now, once you install it, you can now go to settings and then go to display, tap on that. And then under display, scroll down to screensaver, tap on that. And then you'll see the Google Clock option to add a screensaver. So select it first. And then you can tap on the settings and choose the style. So you can have a digital clock or an analog clock. And then also you can choose whether you want to dim it completely during night mode. That's really up to you. But then if you look at the preview, this is what your sort of always-on display is going to look like. Now, it's not really an always-on display, but it's a workaround to get an always-on display using the Google Clock. So that's what it's going to look like. Now, if you choose digital, so go to settings and then let's change to digital and then go back and let's preview what that's going to look like. So that's basically an always-on display. So that is basically how to use the screensaver to create an always-on display on your Galaxy A17 5G. Now, I'll admit that once you set it up, it does take a while to come up on your screen, so you might have to be patient. And unfortunately, there's no way of reducing the amount of time it takes before the screensaver shows up. Okay, we don't have that setting here, so that's the only unfortunate part. You might have to wait a while for that always-on display to kind of show up. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.